If you are going to college next year or you are in college, then please learn English. English is very important because I know you there are some exceptional countries like South Korea, North Korea, Japan, China. Okay, I understand that they don't use their they don't know English. Only 4 or 5% of them know English. But bro, those countries are really developed country. China, South Korea, Japan, they are really developed country. Okay, USA, okay, USA वो उनकी language है, but the countries who use their own language, they don't use English language. So what I want to say that they are really developed. And in India, India is still developing country. It counts in still developing country. Okay, so India is not a full developed country, and here English is not like for communication. For like people don't take it as a communication. Okay, people, if somebody knows English, they don't take it as a communication. It shows your standard. If you know English, you are basically you're just showing your standard. So basically it's just a show off. Why I started to make videos in English, because I just want to show people that I know English very well, so I can get opportunities in my life, more opportunities in my life. Because in India, people don't use English as a communication. If people use English as a standard, if you know English, bro, you are really good. But if you don't, no matter how much you are educated, or no matter how much your body how good looking you are, or how your body is looking, nobody cares. Nobody cares how good person you are. People just care that how much money do you have, and if you know how to speak in English or not. So in India, it's a standard. If you don't know English, then you are just a gawar. You just आप गवार की कैटेगरी में चले जाते हो. You just counts in a category of gawar if you don't know English. Why I started this channel, why I started making content in English, even though I don't know English much. I make a lot of mistakes in English, but still, why I started this channel, why uploading the videos talking in English. Okay, why? Because I'm in India, bro. I'm not going to USA or other countries. Okay, if you don't know English there, they will say, bro, okay, no problem, speak in your language, just use Google Translate. No problem. जहाँ से जिनकी उन लोगों की लैंग्वेज है, इंग्लिश इज देयर लैंग्वेज, ओन लैंग्वेज. एंड इफ यू डोंट नो इंग्लिश, people like, okay bro, no problem. But in India, if you don't know English, you count in a category of गवार. आपको गवार में काउंट करा जाएगा, आपको जज करा जाएगा. समझ रहे हो? इन इंडिया, इफ यू नो इंग्लिश, बेसिकली इट्स शो योर स्टैंडर्ड. आप कभी भी सुनो, if somebody is giving गाली in English, it shows very, like, अच्छा वाह, इंग्लिश में गाली दे रहा है, क्या बात है. But if someone is giving गाली in Hindi, it's like he's a very fucking gawar. If you say fuck in front of so many people, people are like, oh wow, he knows English very well. But if you say chutiya in public, like कैसा गवार आदमी है. So in English, if you know English, people will आपको एक अलग तरीके से लुक देंगे. People will look at you in a very different way. People will start respecting you. People will come to you and say, bro, how to do that, how to do this and that, this and that. Because in India, English is very important, because it shows your standards. It's not from the point of view of communication. It's from the point of view of standard. If you know English, bro, you are good to go. So this is the stupidity. I know this is very stupidity, and I know English is a opportunity. English, if you know English, you can get better job. If you are like a very, like, you are just working in a company where you get only 20,000 salary, but if you know English, you can get increment of 5 to 10%, like your 25 to 30%, 30,000 you can get, because you know English, because it's a communication. Okay, if you know English, you can better communicate in English. Okay, if you know English, you can communicate with others in English very well. You can close the deal with other companies member very well. Okay, so it's also it is very important in uh, businesses or in companies. But if you don't know English, which means you are a gawar, no matter how much you are educated. In India, basically हमारे यहाँ ऐसा ही होता है. In India, this is how it is. Okay, this is how it is. People are not mad giving so much money in learning English. I'm not a fool guy who's making content like it's 67th day of making videos like this in front of camera, even though I'm making really a lot of amount of mistakes, but still I'm, coming in front of camera and making content like speaking English. Why? Because I know the importance of English. Okay, not from the point of view of communication, but point of view of from the point of view of opportunities. If you are into job but you don't know if like, let's suppose you are pass out from a very good IT college, and you get a event and you get a job in some good IT company, but you don't know English, how people will look at you? Very weird. You don't know English, damn, which means he's a gawar. You won't get those, that you won't get much opportunities. You you won't get, maybe you won't get any increments, or people will disrespect you, or people will not respect you, like because you don't know English. So basically, that's the thing, man. That's the thing.